You get to a tree, wrap your rope, and totally forget how to tie a knot. Well, next time, just do this. Wrap your rope 5 times around the tree. Then just cross over your main line twice, pulling it underneath itself to lock it in place. Known as the tensionless hitch, it's technically the strongest way to anchor a rope, because it doesn't have a knot that reduces line strength.
It's like magic. Just slide it down and it loosens, or slide it up and it tightens, and when you let it go, it holds firm. So you could perfectly tension a tarp, a clothesline, or tent rainfly. Even raising or lowering a pot over a fire so you could get that perfect temperature and boiling point. Now here's how to tie it in slow-mo. We simply cross over our main line and now do 2 wraps on the inside of that loop. Our third wrap is the same direction, but on the outside of that loop. So 2 in and 1 out. Now grab and pinch these 2 points and pull the tag end in the opposite direction to tighten everything up and leave you with the amazing taut line hitch. A life skill that everyone should know, creating a proper loop that won't bind up when you pull against it. And with so many uses like hanging items, a multi-directional pull, multiple inline items for fishing, and even tying 2 ropes together. You can easily tie it by remembering this saying. The butterfly spins around twice, flies under the branch, and lands in the center of the flower. Now we could pull both ends to tighten it up. To connect 2 ropes together, we could do the same thing. Pinching the connecting point, it's like we just have 1 rope. Spin the loop around once and now twice. Bring it underneath itself and forward through that center hole that we see here. Pull it tight and you've tied what's known as the queen of knots, the alpine butterfly.